Gever de Gast stürmt, also Royal Clothing, da rausgekommen mit 3 neue Gedischen, 3 neue Projekten. Lass mal lieber gehen, du, in treffen wir nun die Idee. Was machst du? Kann man hier unter Michael, eh? Ich sag so, I heard it in the street, ich hab es gehitten in Kabelstiebel. Royal Clothing, da rausgekommen mit 3 neue Produkten.
That's true.
Lass mal hören.
The first one is it's a rain jacket, a rain coat, and for the stramel, for the mitten.
No way, aber das ist nicht kein junky one.
No, it's like a rain jacket for every day. This is the Shabbos.
Ich pflege gehen als Mann, als Bucher mit den cheap plastic ones. Wo ist nicht gearbeitet? Made you a lot more wet.
Exactly.
Weil der Regen ist angesappt in dem, bis dann umgekommen daheim.
So I decided to get from me gewoon it's out of Shabbos, it actually works. So for the past 2 years I was working on it, and Baruch Hashem,
It's unreal.
just got
It's
it.
a dick, what is it, water?
It's water repellent. It
Water
has-
repellent, so the water didn't even hit it.
It's a high performance water repellent. It's a windstop and it's tactical fabric. It has side pockets. One,
Große Tasche van de...
two, for the broken man. It's
Van de
like a
bronfen,
flat.
ja, van de
It's
gereischen.
two. In
Ze komt met haar hoed. Kijk maar, kijk.
dat zipper. Ik kan ze erop naar de niet.
So middle of the week, you don't want the zipper, you take it off, you touch the stramel.
Exactly. And it has a zipper actually that closes it up. A double zipper. Let me show you. If you want to open up something, you pocket something, you stick.
Kijk maar, kijk, you want to take something out of your pocket, you don't have to open the whole top.
Exactly,
You open the
exactly.
bottom.
And it has snaps also. It comes in a nice bag, a nice pouch it comes. I'll
Yeah,
show
yeah,
you.
I love this, I love this.
This is
Hey,
the
ik heb
bag.
zat hier heen. Laat me eens even zien, als u best heen. Come out here, I just want to see how it looks. Met de shine.
Ich will das hier like zwei Sachen. Coin
Ja.
call as this is an actual rubber, the strick do.
Oh, it's actual
So
rubber.
die ganze Stieb binden machen tien zelfs.
You just pull the rubber and it
En nog
gets
de laatste
tight.
ogen, deze is azen stickel. Het is geen azen, is plastic. So dat is schleppen machen tien. Het locks in place. Is ogen gemacht van azen, so es valt nicht
Ja,
raus.
aber das ist der große Hut von
Das ist der hohe Hut, von der Spitzen, für alles.
der hohe Spitznamen.
Und es ist auch der Jacket, es ist nicht nur ein Raincoat, es ist kalt von Gas. Es ist nicht als ein regular Jacket.
Very cool. I like the look. So that as a matte look.
Ja,
Big
so
nice look.
repellent.
And the best is water repellent. The was kommt echt daran.
No, en vielleicht kommst du an der Hose, der Wasch ist nur ruhig frei, der wächst daran, so du kommst daran
Doesn't get your whole floor wet when you
Ja.
walk in. Get back kick. I love that.
Nice
wow.
deep lined pockets.
So da bin ich gesucht von der Bronfen. Fine. This is number one. The neue Produkt. Was noch haben wir do?
Noch haben wir das angemerkt, eine neue Sache jetzt. Flexhäusen.
Flexhäusen. Pink. Die gibt den zarten Pan für den Kipper. Weil die machen Koidem. You don't want to end up mit zerrissen Häusen und man geht auf den Floor von Koidem.
So, in some in classic and slim. 4 lengths, so you can walk in, walk out. Das ist
You have to start
das ist
tailoring.
alterations gewöhnlich. Und noch einmal hat es als flex is besser wie stretch. Also es ist besser als Mensch. It's like a regular black pants.
See those?
And
You wearing it?
Ja, ist like jede schwarze
You
Hosen.
don't see anything. Ach, was du die Flexhäusen mit Zeite Flex?
Ja.
You can't wear the Gassen.
It stretches when you need it to stretch and it sits properly on you.
I love
the
that.
whole
So man
time.
kann gehirn gehen Shabbos mit dem.
Ja.
Beautiful. Wow. Yossi, was ist der dritte neue Produkt?
Washable suits. Actual suits. You can throw in the washing machine. It's comfortable. It's nice, and you won't even know it. It looks like a regular suit. See? Regular
look.
suit. A shiny suit, full lined, everything with
Doch, maar is dat
fabric,
full lining?
full fledged.
En deze gaat er aan een washing machine.
Het helpt naar trunk. Het helpt naar car. Wie die wat kan ze slijten. And it looks exactly like a regular suit.
It's unbelievable. Very cool. And it gets a little schmutzig. You put it in the washing machine?
Exactly. It's comfortable. It's light. It's lightweight. I think that's needed. Kan 16.
Ga maar doen, maar darf deze. Maar doe de shine suit, maar darf een shine suit.
Exactly.
Nog darf nee, washable.
Want to go.
Dat is genoeg Edition Royal.
Draag edition.
Draai edition, ga zoeken.
That's it.
What's it? The Royal Lounge, doen?
It's the VIP lounge. Hoor.
Deze I remember the first video we made here, we took me up
You
there.
come in, you go in, it's easy.
No way. I was like tint to
Ja, daar moet een gebeten. Mensen gebeten, they want some privacy. So,
Can say, dit is dat?
Yeah, wasn't it? Sure. You can go up.
I love that. You're the first person to do such a vibe. I never privacy when it comes to, you know, you're buying the
Exactly.
suit.
You need some extra.
En daar is de ganze Stoet zo met welke suit hij koopt. Welke size het is. Zij schijnt zich.
Exactly.
Wow.
That's extra. That's good up.
Ga ik even kijken. Wow.
You do the
Master
fabric.
Lagaim. Gewoon Master Lagaim met jassen.
Exactly.
That itself is worth it.
Yeah, you can sit down. You can check some fabrics if you want. Check it out. It's kind of going to shine a belt guy met ogen eventually. Shine a belt guy met ogen.
Nice. In één kan Jan betalen, was jeder andere mens koopt.
Exactly.
He gets the treat to be able to look at it, see what everyone else is buying.
Exactly.
En hij kan zeggen, maar ik koop niet Jenner design. Those people like to be different. Beautiful, Yossi, wow. Yossi, hij zag gepakte trainers te doen. Dit is oud varianten.
Actually, most zijn van Shabbos, voor de eeuwig Shabbos.
Deze voor Shabbos nog?
Janten kunt nog een rack doen.
Je kunt nog een rack doen. Wow. I love the diversity. You can do Stein and you can
a lot of simchas this week.
Kijk maar kijken. The red inside look. You can stand there and just mesmerize all your designs over here. So
Alle
shine. Alle Mine, jede type, jede design,
Like
jede
jede
inside,
Gussen, exactly.
jede Gussen.
That's it, that's right. Yep.
Wow, so this is alles was Shabbos day wach.
Van Jens, van de Jure.
Unbelievable. Okay, Yossi, what's about the raincoats? I want to go back to that a second because I love that invention because I suffered all my years with those raincoats.
Exactly, same. So
We all suffered.
Exactly.
We came on wetter than we would without the raincoat. Anyway, Yossi, wie viel Stück kosten?
Ik ga weer aangebrengen 1500.
1500
Just a
pieces.
try out. Ik heb een beetje achter het aangebleven.
I have 800 left.
Ja, en de box is de food in de rek. Ik heb een motion van Perlowitz. It's 125 usually. Anyone who is hooked up at Perlowitz gets it for 110.
Geef er een 110. Kom maar aan. Mensen Perlowitz, dat heeft hooked up. And you get it for 110. Schoig, Yossi. Schoig van de 3 nieuwe producten. Ga zoeken als het is. Enig wat zoekste.
Nog een dag gelijk.
Was?
Nog een beetje de suit cleaners.
No.
Sinds dan heb je nog een limited shipment.
Als nog de zoekliners?
Dan heb je nog een bissel. Mensen de Perlowitz show.
Guess we came out for free. Let's move.
Limited.
No out last time. Don't you
Yeah.
don't say crap. Let's move the suit
Nog een
cleaners.
vloestig gebleven.
I don't believe it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Freestyle,
we
wow.
come over here. We're getting ready. What's up?
Big party coming up.
Let me tell you something. We go around all the time purchasing. That's the whole time, and we have to look presentable.
Exactly.
I got a package from this. I came to have a client that kleine hadden, very this. Ik kom met mijn shine package, and he's like, ik ben gewend Royal. I went there like, so, ik ga zich dus kijken and I'm like, oh man, what should I say? But whatever the case is, ladies and gentlemen, this place is great, and they have stuff like nobody else has. Highly recommended. I actually just walked in. I didn't know anything is happening over here by
That's
surprise.
true,
100%.
That's correct.
Walked in over here. I need to get myself a suit. New suit. I lost some weight, so going down
I
sizes.
want to tell you, you look great.
Thank you so much. I lost 125 pounds. Baruch Hashem. I did a surgery. If anybody has any questions about the surgery, they can reach out to me in private. But whatever the question.
Je denkt, was die andere.
Yes.
telling me?
Baruch Hashem. And I came in to get myself a new suit, and Royal is making money on me because I'm just going down from size. I went from 48 to 36, and I have every size.
That's it.
I had somebody came to me for Shabbos. 2 guys came to me for Shabbos. They didn't have their clothing. I was like, what size are you? 42. Boom. 38. Gegangen. Yalla. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Royal clothing. Highly recommended. Ladies and gentlemen.
Kevin else, my left. This was not planned.
That's it. Thank
Moshi,
you.
big party coming up. Royal.
Thank you.
Moshi, so you legit here because you went down 2 sizes?
I went down from a 48 to 36. Wow. So that is basically that.
We put a picture on this video how you looked before.
Should I?
I'm gonna send it to me. I'll put it on the video.
I'll show you here. Take a look. This is me 11 months ago.
Oh my! 11 months ago, he lost how much?
125 pounds.
All right, we're gonna do a full vlog about the switch.
No problem. Anybody has any questions, they can reach out to me. I would be very happy to help anybody. Highly recommend the surgery. It's not the sleeve. It's called a duodenal switch. It's an intense surgery, but it's a good surgery. Baruch Hashem, I'm a different person. Andere Mensch. Never believed.
Whoa!
Never believed that I'll ever get to this point. Never believed it. I weigh 144 pounds, coming from 270. I'm quite short, so 270 is a lot. Was a lot. And thank you, Hashem.
So Yossi, die maakt geld af hem. Jede goedje komt eraan van een suit.
Listen, Panuse, ja, de Eibischte auf Rashun hat einen Sinn gehabt.
Yossi,
Also Kevin, exactly.
So Kevin, who's doing it this now? Who's doing it for the next year? Yossi,
and the reason why we're doing this video over here in Royal is because Royal is sponsoring the people to go for this surgery so they should lose weight or should buy new suits. But let me tell you something, guys. When you do the surgery and when you lose weight, wait. I know that you're excited and you want to get new suits and you want to look good, but you lose weight, you lose a lot. So you're gonna go buy new suits the entire time, so it costs us geld, and he'll be able to buy a new house. And another house,
he'll be able to make a new party.
So he'll be able to make a big party, and that's gonna make the economy go round and round, and that's gonna make you, whatever you are doing, what you're watching, you're also gonna, you're also in the business.
We'll be able to come make a party.
So Royal is gonna go make a party, and we're gonna come,
and
we're gonna support you guys. And ladies and gentlemen, big party coming up. Stay tuned. Thank you for the opportunity.